Shelly, founder of BāKIT Box, and I'm gonna show you how we assemble our holiday peppermint trees. So I've already baked my cookies here. If you can see them, they're gonna slide around a little bit. I've got 4 different sizes. We got our large, our medium, our small, and then we also have our little mini, which will be the tree topper. So I'm gonna start with the accessories. We've got our almonds, our peppermint, and I'll walk you through the assembly. Okay, so we are gonna start by crushing our almonds and our pinwheels. I've already set aside pinwheels that will be used for the assembly. Okay, we got our crushed almonds, and we're gonna crush up some peppermint. Next, I have my microwave safe bowls, and I am going to microwave and heat up our dark chocolate and our white chocolate. Okay, so I've got my tray of cookies here. I grabbed a large, a medium, a small, and a mini. So I'm gonna do 1 tower at a time for you. And I decided I'm gonna do a chocolate almond and a white chocolate peppermint layer by layer. So I'm gonna show you how I do that now. So I've got my melted chocolate here. Now we are going to place our pinwheels right in the center. And I'm actually going to put a second one right on top. And now we sprinkle with almonds. So we've got our 2 chocolate layers. We are going to do our white chocolate layers and add the peppermint. Pinwheel in the center. And we don't need a pinwheel on the mini cookie because that is the top of our tree. Here we go, and then we will add our peppermint. And there you have our beautifully decorated tower. So we're gonna need to let this cool before we can assemble it. Otherwise, it's just all gonna fall apart. So I'm gonna pop these in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure they're cooled. And while you're doing that, you can build your other towers. So you can layer all of your cookies all at once and they can cool. So now that they are out of the fridge and you can kind of see them, we are going to assemble our tree. So we're gonna need a little bit more of the chocolate. So reheat in the microwave if you need to. I still have mine warm because I was just working on my other layers. So I think I've just enough to assemble my trees. Put a little double on the plate so it doesn't slide around. We're using the pinwheels as our pillars. So we're gonna stick this right on top. So now that we have layers 1 and 2, we are gonna put the 3rd and 4th on. So once again, we're gonna take a little bit of chocolate right on top of our pillar. We're taking our 3rd layer, which is the small cookie, and we'll give it a minute to cool. And then we'll take our final topper. And there you have it. We've got our little holiday peppermint tree. Okay, time to taste test. I'm gonna try the almond chocolate first. Oh yeah, that's good. Those flavors are delicious together. And then we're gonna try, I gotta try the top of the tree. A little peppermint white chocolate. Oh, it tastes just like the holidays, and it's so festive. I hope you enjoyed this and enjoy your holiday peppermint trees. Thank you.